Hi friends, my name is Jessica Sherine. Today I'm going to talk about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest forest. It is found in the continent of South America. Is in the tropics is the area between the tropics of Cancer and the tropics of Capricorn. The Amazon rainforest is known as the lungs of the planet because it produces more than 20% of the oxygen into the air. The rainforest is hot and rainy during the whole year. The most beautiful and colorful animals and plants live in this forest. The hot weather and rain helps the forest to grow. So now I'm going to tell a slogan for the Amazon rainforest. If you kill the Amazon rainforest, you killed your lungs. Now I'm going to give you some ideas to conserve the wildlife. First, we have to stop cutting trees. Second, we have to stop killing animals. Next, we should plant trees. Thank you.